Alright guys, so today, I know I haven't uploaded a video in a while, but I just got a 1983 CJ7 and just trying to figure out how to make a lock for the latch. See how it just kind of opens in the... So I saw another video online about the whole, it was like a V, it's like a little L. I guess you could do something like this. Do the L shape of down here, clips on there, and you lock it right in between these two tabs. To be honest, I didn't have the metal to do it, like the steel or whatever. I had a piece of aluminum, so this is what I did. I don't know if all Jeeps have it, but the CJ has this little tab right here, as you guys can see, little tab, and basically I just drilled a hole through there, drilled a hole through there, and drilled a hole through my latch. Got a piece of aluminum I cut, threw a bolt through that one, made a hole through there. As you can see, my hole isn't quite its center, but doesn't really matter since most of the weight is going to be when you're pushing it this way. So when it comes down to it, all the force will be on this side. It has more meat anyways, and basically that's what it is. That's my CJ7 locking latch thing. Let me show you it with the lock on. Alright, so sorry for that pause, but here it is with the lock on. You guys can see it. Master lock on there on the ground. Try to open this sucker up, and no go. The lock is on there pretty good. It won't move. Pretty easy little lock I made here. And the latch will not open. Simple but effective, guys. Simple but effective. So basically what you'll need is a piece of aluminum. I use the grinder and of course your drill to make the holes. And so basically, let me just quick what I did to cut this aluminum bar. I marked the size that I needed. I marked it with like screwdriver, drill bit, whatever. Then I just cut a little bit, cut it a little bit, and I just bent it and it snapped off, and I bent it and it snapped off. And well, alright. You guys have a great day.